Corruption has actually taken us to a level, Mr. Speaker, whereby our people are not enjoying services, Mr. Speaker. Money has been prudent, and we are talking of a lot of money, Mr. Speaker. In this report that now I'll be tabling, Mr. Speaker, clearly there is a loss or routing of public funds adding up to almost 1.35 billion, Mr. Speaker. And Mr. Speaker, I want people to know what is a billion, because it is important to know. A billion is what you can get.
Today is dead end. We want response on the issues raised here, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, yesterday night, when having an interview with a radio station,
Mr. Speaker, as I read the nonsense I've been to the party, I want to get focused on my reply and also my guidance.
Point of order, Mr. Speaker.
Opinion.
Is this in order for Mr. Salma to